Hi, I'm Hawaiian Dan with SeaEagle.com. Welcome to the Sea Eagle White Valve video instructions. These valves can be found in use with our sports kayaks, Motormount Boat, SEC Seat, Deluxe Inflatable Kayak Seat, High Fishing Inflatable Seat, High Inflatable Cushion, and High Rowing Inflatable Seat. The valves come in white or black and consist of three parts: a cap, one-way screw-in valve body, and tether. I'll demonstrate this with a DKS seat, but the same principle applies to most anything that uses this type of air valve. Now, before attaching the air valve body to the air valve base, you'll want to inspect and confirm both are free from dirt, sand, debris, divots, dents, nicks, gouges, or defects. On the underside of the screw-in valve body, confirm the one-way rubber flap and O-ring are present and in good shape. Also, the rubber gasket on the underside of the cap. Malformations such as these can easily be remedied by heating the area with friction rubbing, warming in the sun, using a hair dryer, or even blowing heat from your vehicle. Then simply work the malformed area until it returns to its original purpose form. A mold such as this always wants to return to and maintain its originally factory molded shape. Now you're ready to attach the air valve tether to the air valve base. Please keep in mind, the tether is designed to fit tightly so you don't lose it or misplace your valve. If it's too loose, the valve may fall off and become lost. Once attached, you won't need to remove them. To help with installation, you can warm them by friction rubbing, warming in the sun, warm water from a faucet, a hair dryer, or even blowing heat from your vehicle. I find the easiest way to attach them is by using leverage. Place the valve in your dominant hand with the bottom rubber side facing up. Now pinch the meaty part of the tether that's between the actual attachment ring and the valve itself in between your thumb and index finger. You'll note on the far side of the attachment ring there's a protrusion. With your free hand, use your index finger to press or pinch that side down and over the far edge of the valve base and hold it there. Note that you should have one half of the retainer ring already on. Now pull the valve that's in your hand clockwise. You'll note that the tether is stretching. Now pull down and seat the tether into place, and repeat this step with your remaining valves. The tether can go under or over any fabric and will still hold tightly in place. Before screwing the valves in, be sure that all the surrounding fabric is clear and free and does not hinder the seating of the actual valve. Screw the valve into the valve base and remove the cap if not already removed. Use the large wide mouth adapter of your pump to inflate by wedging it into the air valve. Friction will hold it in place. Inflate to the proper pressure, but be careful not to overinflate, as this will cause damage and void your Sea Eagle warranty. The last step is to check for air leaks. With your ear close to the valve, listen and feel for any leaks. Now try to rip the valves off, but don't worry, you can't, because the valve bases are welded in place. Pull up and down, side to side, and in circles. At no time should you hear any air escaping. If you do, by tightening them further, a towel may give you a better grip. Repeat these steps with any remaining valves. If you find this video helpful and wish to see others like it, subscribe to the YouTube link by clicking on the subscription link in the lower left-hand corner. Hit the thumbs up button, the bell notification, and share this with your family and friends. Remember to post your comments and questions in the section below, and I'll reply to your questions. I'll post product links to accessories covered in this video, as well as a time-stamped table of contents in the video description below, so you can easily jump from one section of this video to another. Until next time, I'm Hawaiian Dan with SeaEagle.com, and I'll see you out on the water. Aloha.